Agawan ng Panyo is a game where two groups of players race in the middle of the playing area and get the handkerchief held by a person in the middle. Once a player gets hold of the handkerchief, the other player has the right to tag him to negate their victory. The goal of the game is to snatch the handkerchief and run back to the team base without being tagged by an opponent. Let us know the skills involved in playing Agawan ng Panyo. Reaction time. The ability to move quickly once a signal to start moving is announced. Dexterity. It is the ability to move the hands quickly with a mental coordination. And most importantly, the speed. It is the ability to move all or a part of the body quickly. Are you excited to play Agawan ng Panyo? Okay, me too. But before that, let us know how to play Agawan ng Panyo. The players divide into two teams of equal number. Each player has an assigned number. The same numbers will be used for players on both sides. There will be a game master or a referee stands on the boundary at the center of the line. When a stick is not available, the referee can use his or her hand. The referee will extend his or her hand forward and holds the handkerchief. Each team will form a line and takes its place immediately behind one of the two parallel lines facing the referee. At a given signal, the referee will announce a number. Then, the player from each team run towards the handkerchief. If the snatcher successfully returns to his line with the handkerchief, he scores a point for his team. The player loses if the snatcher is tagged. No point is scored for the both of the team. The team with the highest point wins.